Hi everyone, I am Christopher Armisa. Today I want to talk to you about a topic that affects each and every one of us: communication breakdown. In our fast-paced and interconnected world, effective communication is crucial for building relationship, resolving conflicts, and achieving success in both personal and professional spheres. However, despite the advancements in technology and the numerous means of communication available to us, we often find ourselves facing communication breakdown. So, what exactly is communication breakdown? It refers to the failure or disruption in the exchange of information between individuals or groups, resulting in lack of understanding, misin- misinterpretation, or even complete breakdown of communication. It can occur in various forms such as verbal, nonverbal, written, or even through digital channels. One of main reason for communication breakdown is lack of clarity. When we fail to express ourselves clearly, our message can be easily misunderstood and misinterpreted. This can happen due to using ambiguous language, amusing the other person knows that we mean, or simply not taking the time to articulate our thoughts effectively. It is essential to be mindful of our choice of words, tone, and body language to ensure our message is conveyed accurately. Another common cause of communication breakdown is a lack of active listening. Communication is a two-way process and it requires both speaking and listening. However, in our fast-paced lives, we often find ourselves more focused on speaking rather than truly listening to others. This can lead to misunderstandings and we may miss important details, fail to empathize with the speaker, or jump to conclusions without fully understanding their perspective. Active listening involves giving our full attention, asking clarifying questions, and showing genuine interest in what the other person is saying. Technology, while providing us with numerous communication tools, can also contribute to communication breakdown. With the rise of digital communication, we have become reliant on text message, emails, and social media platforms. While these can be convenient, they lack the nonsense of face-to-face interaction. Misinterpretation of tone, lack of nonverbal cues, and the inability to gauge emotion can all lead to misunderstanding and breakdowns in communication. It is important to remember that technology should be used as a supplement to rather than a replacement for direct human interaction. Lastly, cultural and language barrier can also contribute to communication breakdown in our increasingly diverse world. We often interact with individuals from different cultural backgrounds or who speak different languages. This difference can lead to misunderstanding and cultural forms, values, and language nuances may vary is crucial to approach such interaction with an open mind, respect for diversity, and willingness to bridge these gaps through active listening, empathy, and seeking clarification when needed. And that's all. Thank you.